May 21, 1946, Los Alamos Laboratory. In a secret room, scientists were playing with the heart of a nuclear bomb. They called it Rufus. Later, it would earn a new name. The experiment was dangerous. They called it Tickling the Dragon's Tail. The goal was to bring the core to the edge of explosion and stop just before it happened.
Louis Slotin was the best. He was so confident he didn't use safety shims. He used a simple flathead screwdriver to hold the deadly mouth open.
The logic was simple. As long as the screwdriver held the gap open, the neutrons could escape. The dragon was asleep. But at 3:20 p.m., Slotin's hand twitched. The screwdriver slipped. The top shell fell. The mouth closed.
Instantly, the core went supercritical. A blast of blue light filled the room. It wasn't a fire. It was the air itself ionizing from radiation. Slotin reacted in a second. He jerked his hand up and flipped the shell off. He stopped the reaction, but it was too late.
Well, that does it. He knew he was already dead. The radiation had destroyed his DNA in a millisecond.
He died 9 days later in agony. The core was named the Demon Core. It was decided no human hand would ever touch a core again.
The Demon Core was melted down and used in a weapon test, but its legacy remains. Science is not a game for cowboys.
One slip of a screwdriver. That's all it takes to wake the dragon. This is Method and Myth.